And also, Shiva, the session is recording, okay? The session is in recording mode. So do not share your
Yes, yes, please.
password or something. You do not show it here while sharing.
Okay, okay. Do you want to take a control? What are the configuration was there in this one? Because
Yeah, I don't want to take the control, but if you could show me, I can just make a glitch of it.
okay, you see, basically the first thing is treasury and risk management.
Are you
Here they
sharing the
are using.
screen still?
Yes, yes, I am sharing my screen, right?
No, I'm not able to see it.
Huh? Just now I say you can able to see my screen.
Yeah, when you try to, I don't know, before 1 or 3 seconds,
Oh,
still it is not
okay.
visible to me.
Okay, let me share. Is that okay now?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Okay. I keep entire screen. You can able to see, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is my I mean, under the FSCM, there is
Okay.
a few transactions like treasury and risk management. Basically, so far I received all these issues. Let me show you what type of issues I'm receiving. This is also one more thing. Yeah, you see, this is one of the configuration I did yesterday. This is my email. I did yesterday. I have updated product type, new product type, which is a 55L
55L.
with the
Okay.
company code assignment, and also I did with the flow types. It's a one more flow type, but I just Google and I tried to add that part, but I didn't know the purpose of this two areas also actually. So, but anyway, I did that the configuration, and then you see how the requirement actually. As per discussion today, please do upload this one. So this is my Shiva. They asked me to do the configuration, and then they want to do these documents
Okay.
55, 16, these things all they want to reverse it.
Okay.
So the project team will advise them. So it's okay that one. Okay, that noted that approval wants the interest expenses. So the people will be going to assist these issues as well. This kind of issues usually we will get the business from the business.
Okay, from the client. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes.
This is the one like this. They will ask. You see, this is my name. Please refer to the as where we had done the testing for the posting done treasury FSCM posted for accrual payment received or paid done via COPA. As per attachment, something like this. But I went through all. I can explain to you. I can tell you also where what kind of issues, what kind of issue was there. Then I can explain that level because this one is a previous communication which we are not aware. I
Aware
just
of it.
joined recently only. Yeah, I just
Okay.
joined recently only. This is project team. I was advised that this is the entry. So now I told them better to same person need to be advised when they do the reversal of the posting. They are helping that part they are doing. But
Okay.
what I need to understand this kind of postings also. That's what I need someone help. That's it.
Yeah, surely, I
Yeah.
can advise you on it.
Yeah, it is actually good for you and for me also. It's good actually if we can more explore these new things.
Yes, absolutely. That is why I have also accepted for it because I am also so I
It's
also
actually very
get an
live
expectation
project.
to
Yeah, it's
a different scenario because your scenario might be
exactly.
entirely
It's
different.
yeah, exactly. You
Yeah.
see, she's the one main user. Afiza Masdi, she's the one.
Okay.
Since beginning, I was joined on 6th December. So I just recently this is the commitment fees. Essential team needs to configure to include the approvals for commitment fee. So I did the commitment fee. This is my first request. Done the configuration. Commitment fee I have added um, with the flow types.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is the first ticket. From there, You can see different issue. I'm just showing you what kind of issues will
Yes,
come.
yes, yes.
Process to set a call with this one. So this one, okay, outstanding one. This is also same one. This is a different thing. Sorry, this is the same issue. After that, they call me. Let me show you. Okay. This is the one just now we discussed about this approval reversal of the document posting.
Okay, can you go to the beginning of the email? I will just take a look of it.
You mean here?
Yeah, the previous email which you have showed me. I mean, this is not the one. The previous,
You mean this one?
yeah.
It's the same, yeah, same email. The commitment fee. Previously, they just send email. Then after that, they use this is the first email regarding to the commitment fees.
Okay. So this is what. So it was sent by. It was sent by
Business.
somebody to you, right?
Correct.
To you. Can you go to the beginning of the email, not bottom of the email? Yes. So they are telling,
This is
please.
interesting.
So please find the attached ICL. Do you know the abbreviation of ICL?
Intercompany.
Ledger, or I don't
Something
know.
like that, yeah.
I
It's
don't.
intercompany, some customized program. Yeah, they have some
Okay,
report.
please
It's
find the
some.
attached ICL report and slide
It's
for
a
your
manual
review and
report.
comment.
Yeah.
The ICL accrual for November 26 for information. We have some issues to post the transaction. Yes, for we will post the journal once we receive the issue. So these are all like ICL, intercompany ledger, and this is the
Mm-hmm.
value and this is the description. This is related to accruals only. This has to be posted,
Correct.
and you have
Approval fees
received it on,
manually.
and you have received
Yeah.
it on, when you have received it in the email.
Wait.
Just scroll above. Yeah.
This is the 4th December. 4th December.
Okay, December 4th.
Yeah, we are not there that time. Yeah. We just they they have some manual calculation. ICL is some manual calculation report. So they're comparing with the manual to SAP S4. So that's why they found some differences. The commitment fee. They understood that we need to
Okay.
add that commitment fees. Some
Okay,
additional fee. Some
actually, they need your help to post the accruals in S4, right? For these, so this many numbers
Correct.
of ICL, intercompany ledger, what
Correct.
for this many
Correct.
values they needed
That's
to
the
post
reason.
the accruals.
Yeah, that's the reason. That's the reason I have added the flow type.
Okay.
Commitment fee flow type. Yeah, that's the reason. After that, when we discuss with Ascension team, they say do the flow types. So system will capture that posting. So I did the configuration of flow types.
Okay. Understood.
This is the same. Yeah, same.
So executed via TM44. Can you scroll below? And you see, we seek your assistance to help us understand how to read and review the ICL accruals as executed via TMP44. So TMP44 is related to transaction postings. So you have
Correct.
done it through postings in comparison to, yeah.
Mm. See, this is the one the T code they will execute every month. This is like our FI postings, like F.81 accrual posting from the treasury side. TPM 44 is the one to execute the postings like every
Postings.
month, like interest, the dates, so and so securities, all these transactions.
Yeah.
But even I don't know how to utilize this variant. I don't see any variant actually. They select
So this is what I was,
accrual.
this is what I was telling you. You see the product groups, there are like securities, listed options and futures and OTC transaction, right? So there
Oh,
are,
this is what you.
yeah, there are many more products groups also, you which you can add it, like be it like hedge funds,
Oh,
derivatives. So those groups also you can add it.
okay,
You can customize it actually.
okay. Actually, I didn't know the company code setting. Where is the company code? Yeah, let's say how we going to approve it. It's a client level or company code level?
So this is related to company code level only, it should be not
Yeah, it
related
should
to
be
client
company
level.
code line.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely will be company code. but here I don't see any company code.
Yeah, you
Or
have
maybe
it
we
for.
can see. I think we need to select whether securities or OTC transactions or something like that. Then only we can see the real one.
Yeah. So
Okay,
can you
okay, okay,
unselect
okay.
it? Can you unselect the securities also? Unselect the securities also. So this is the settings for overall product group parameters
Correct.
and posting of the groups, and this is not for any particular group. When we select the
Particular group.
OTC transaction group, we can select the company code
Yes.
and
Then
other
only go to the company code, all those things. Yeah, which is any
product.
transactions. Usually, I think they create the transactions and they execute it. They will set up the batch job or execute
Yes.
this code. Yeah, like this one. I need little bit of this is the T code. Then this is the since we select the securities, so go to inside the security. Something that kind of awareness I need it.
Yeah, yeah, sure, absolutely.
Yeah. Thanks.
So what is this
So
SAP version?
this is S4. Recently, they just July only they just went live.
Okay. So it looks like ECC system to me, not S4. That's why I've been asking
Hmm.
you.
It's the same, I think. Yeah, only just July only they went live, but looks like ECC only, but it's S4 box.
But in S4 box, you can possibly you can try to work in Fury, right? So it means the Fury application still has not been developed.
Not there, but some of the applications they have activated
They
Fury also.
they support in Fury.
Yes.
Okay, okay, understood.
So this is the email. Actually, I mean, just I will just tell you what kind of issues maybe I'm going to ask. That is one thing,
Yeah.
and also FSEM is the same relevant to the same email, and also this is also same email. Some email. Okay, treasury. This is also different email, which is yeah maybe some different email. Actually, nothing to do with me, so
Mhm.
it's a different email. The one is a different. Okay. Still, project team is there. Essential team is there, but
Okay.
sometimes they don't want to help. They want to charge somewhere, so that's why they don't want. Okay, there is actually another email I wanted to show you. GLs there. Yeah. So far, I received this kind of email. So this kind of issues,
Yeah.
uh, separation.
Okay.
So basically, I want to know how to create one transaction and play around. Let's say 55D. I did the configuration. I want to create the transaction one transaction. How to create the transaction to select with the BP, which BP I need to select. That kind of things I need.
Okay. Understood. Understood. So what we'll
Yeah.
do is, so how long can you afford to learn the SAP TRM concept, Shiva? You have any idea about it? Because you are already
I
have
didn't
much
know
experience into
actually.
SAP. In FICO and all, you had
Yeah.
experience, right? So how soon do you expect to learn the SAP TRM module alone?
I think actually I was thinking if I go through one scenario, let's say transaction manager, if I know how to create the transaction manager,
Mhm.
then from there how to approval part is the main area.
Mhm.
Approval, how to create the transaction, from there how to execute the approvals. That is main area they're doing, and also the forecasting also they're doing. I so far I didn't know that. Uh, that's why I want to see how
Risk manager is also a
how
part of TRM. You see, money
which one
market is
which one.
also a part of TRM, and
Uh-huh.
cash risk analyzer is also a part of TRM, where we need to see portfolio analyzing, which you have already mentioned. Everything,
Mm-hmm.
most of the
And
things
also,
are related.
I want to know the account assignment also how to do the under the accounting, we go to the account determination. We will say if I want to add new GL account for this debit and for this credit, I need some assistance. I can see from the system, almost I can understand, but it's not clearly
So
what
when
I
you
expected.
when you say about customization and you see
No,
some
it's not
technical,
customization, it's the standard one.
yeah, technical configuration what you're doing is right. That is what I mean to say. I only analyze the functional part of the businesses, be it
Yes, correct.
yeah,
Functional.
that is what I mean to say. When you say more depth into transaction t codes and of its usages like journal entry postings and all, I might not know it, because I only analyze the functional processes of the businesses. So that is what my question is. So you and I also in the learning stage only, I still say uh, that is what. So how soon you can you are expecting to complete this TRM to know the entire end to end, if we are
Actually,
going through on the topic.
I don't need full of the masters on this
Yeah, that's
TRM
fine.
areas. I just
Actually
need,
I'm asking you like
yeah, I just,
per for one day we can spare for 1 hour, right? One day we can spare 1 hour per day. So
mhm.
for TRM alone, how many hours you think we can complete the, we can complete in the sense, I'm not telling end to end. So what is asked, what is the main requirement, we can
The
go through
minimum
it.
requirement, which is the basic minimum requirement, and
Yeah.
also whenever I had
So you
any
have any
request from the
idea
business.
about how soon we can complete it?
Initially, I have told them I need 1 month time to
Hmm.
support me, like not fully, like let's say today I don't need 1 hour time. I just need only 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's like 30 minutes, something like that. Whenever I need it,
Yeah.
like if they can support 1 month time with regardless of the
Yeah,
timing,
1 month
then
is
should be fine.
reasonable, reasonable. So since you told,
Uh,
since
uh,
you
uh.
have a lot of experience, I don't have to explain the process logics, right? In SAP, how it is working,
Yeah,
because you might have
yes,
already
yes,
known, and
process.
also you know advanced configurations and customization also. So because you have already had hands-on experience in doing all those stuffs, so we will just go through the functional business processes, which more or likely, I think if we are discussing about it, we can complete in 1 month. Possibly we'll try to cover as
Okay,
much as possible. I understood your,
okay, okay.
yeah, understood the scenario. You wanted to learn about the roles or which is required for SAP TRM, and under each role what are all the assignments will be performed for each product. How can they creating a product, or uh, what is like into different groups, be it like O2C. Since you don't need O2C, you told me only two things. I think we'll just go through the topics of bank communication
Mm,
management, right? You
can
told
also. And
about
one
inter.
more thing, I have the good learning is
uh,
I have the test scripts also. Whatever we did the test script during the project time, I
okay.
have left the test script. So if you we can go through this test script, should be more than enough. I don't think we're left from the business. This is the one the business is tested all the test script. So if I go through it, all the scenarios we can cover, then should be fine also. I don't think I need additional also.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
there everything. It's there everything. All the there. But sometimes I didn't know. Let's say morning I'm trying to create the one transaction. I couldn't make it.
Mhm.
That kind of things I need. I need your support if you have it.
Yeah, sure. We will do that. We will create it from the
If you
beginning
want,
only.
if you
I
want, I can share you the test script also if you need it. Like if you need it.
Yeah, please. I will go through it. If you could able to share it, please share it to me. I will go through also. So you told you have only two products which is available, right? Which is intercompany loans.
Yes. So
Inter
far, if
in
you know, maybe we can show you how so far how what did it. Maybe you can see from here transaction types or transaction. From here, I think if you know, you can able to see what type of transactions they put in so far. So I didn't know so far how many documents they posted, all these areas.
Mhm.
Facility, security, and general transactions. Product type, yeah, we can go by product type. Let's say if I don't want to go by. Okay, see here. So far, this is the transactions they posted.
Okay, understood. So all the product
So
type will have different product categories, right?
exactly. See all these partners also
Yes.
different postings. So I need to understand this posting. Let's say I want to post one transaction. I need to post all this type of transactions one time.
Mhm.
Then only I will be more confident, or during the issues we can face it. Only we will see the issues. This the UAT scenarios. They should have cover all these UAT scenarios. From here only we need to support them.
Okay, understood. Okay.
Yeah, this is the my scope. Yeah, maybe if you can understand.
Yeah, yeah, I can make a flow out of it. I'm seeing like a overall map can be how it can be created. I have an idea about it from your scenario, and I think we will
Mm-hmm.
also have to go in depth to see how it has to be made, and what are all the functions, and what it is actually used for. We will go through it. We
Mm-hmm.
will try to understand it surely.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's fine. So can so
Yeah, the
we can connect
process
by.
is okay. Process. My main focus is issue resolve. I need to resolve the issue also in time actually.
So you see, it won't be a fixed issue, right? It will keep on arising because if an issue is arising, we will clear it. We will make it like
Yes,
RPA.
yes.
We will
We
do the
need to
RPA. We
understand.
will,
We need to
yeah,
analyze it. Yes.
analyze it, and we will do it as a. We don't have any manual intervention, right? We will do it as an automation, which the SAP will learn from itself. Once
Mm-hmm.
we are able to clear the uh, error type, so it will get automatically integrated, and the transaction flows, we don't have to do it again and again. Take for an example for accrual, and you will not receive any issues related to accrual once the system can able to understand the configuration of our requirement, right? So this is a good learning. I will say SAP TRM, when it comes to capital markets only, it is a big scope, and when you are trying to yeah, imply all those functions in SAP is like SAP is also having a lot of features can be integrated, and doing the trades is a different concept, right? Without SAP also they can do the trade. There are like advanced tools like Bloomberg's, new FX all. These all can be integrated with TRM. I will tell you have
Yeah.
this please know about these terminologies in TRM, which is very essential. FX all.
Okay.
Have you heard about FX all?
No.
Bloomberg terminals.
Bloomberg, yes. Bloomberg, I have.
So it can also be integrated with SAP. I mean
Mm.
SAP TRM particularly in
Okay.
TRM, which is used for doing the trades, stock trades, right?
Mm.
So it can be integrated. So, but however, we need to know about the Bloomberg in order to make it integrated to TRM.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that is why. So I will suggest you to learn all those topics as well. We will continue in the next session tomorrow because I need to make some. You see, I will make some process flow related to intercompany or bank communication or loans communication, and we will go through by
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow. I'll give you a good overview of what segregations are there into TRM as well.
Okay.
Okay?
I think someone is calling me. Wait, yeah.
Yeah, sure, no problem. We'll connect by tomorrow. Fine, right?
Sorry, wait. Okay. Yeah. So Is what time you will be? Is it possible? Maybe evening time. I want to see how the GL account assignment is happening. Do you have any time today? Let's say if I want to add this GL account.
Okay.
Let's say, wait, I show you where I was stuck. I didn't know that, but I'm still managing that part. Uh, let's say the business user asks me to add this GL account. Is this one? Yeah, see, for approval commitment fee, debit this one and credit this one. Okay, the accounting one. I managed to find this one. This is already there under the commitment fee, some account assignment references were there. But let's say if I want to add this GL account, how do I need to add this GL account in the FSM, the accounting posting side?
So you need to know about how to do this, how to do the credit for the GL account.
Correct, exactly. The configuration here I can show you here, but uh, see here the configuration is there. I can show you, but really I don't know how which one is the correct process. How
Okay,
I
okay.
need to
Actually,
go.
wait one moment. For doing the GL account, it is under FI, right? It won't be under
No,
FSCM
no,
as
no,
of
no,
my
no, 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 no. It's not
understanding.
FI. It's under here. I show you here. Transaction manager. You see here. GL is FI, but here we need to add the account like automatic postings.
Okay, yeah.
How system will link to it will update to this one.
The
See
GL.
here accounting data. This is all under FSCM. Determination of the accounting here and define account determination for treasury and risk management. If I go here, I can able to see, but um, you see there is a account GL account assignment was there here. It's account assignment, the GL account I will put, but the new thing, how I need to add, I didn't know this part also. I'm checking actually how to add up. You see, usually we go here and select, then go to the accounting posting. We can able to see this is the postings actually.
Yeah, you need to know how to add it.
You see here debit and credit. We can see one is debit, posting key document type, all those things. Let's say if I have the new GL account to add it, what is the correct process to add up here? This is one more thing I need to add up this configuration. This is one thing. You got what I mean?
Yes,
This
yes.
is account
I understood.
determination.
I
It's
understood question.
yeah. This is the main part also. One of the main part to automate the integration to the GL account update.
Okay. So I will look into it and get back to you. Okay, regarding
Yeah,
this.
maybe you will have more ideas since you already experienced this area. You see, account determination, define account determination for treasury and risk management. I
So
don't know
actually,
whole
you
maybe.
see the configuration part. I am not aware of it because I have never done any configuration or customization because I was not a part of implementation. I was a part of rollout projects and support projects only. So once they have,
Mm-hmm.
but however, I need to learn the implementation. That is when you can start understanding the entire process, right? So
Yes,
I
yes,
will.
yes,
So
yes,
when
that
you,
is
so
yes.
this curiosity, it is very eager to me to learn about the process. However, I will look into it, the questionnaire. So you need to know how
Mm-hmm.
they are posting the GL credit for treasury and risk management under
I
account
want to add
information.
the new GL account for credit posting.
Okay.
Yeah, this one we must know. I know this is the transaction. Each transaction we will assign what is the debit and what is the credit.
Okay.
But let's say, yeah, that's why I know a little bit, but I cannot. Um, I don't have much confident. I cannot say this is what this must be do this way. Cannot I?
You're not
cannot.
very much sure about it.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah, see here all 2260s. This is the way where I'm looking. Actually, I need to add here somewhere 2260 1600, I think. But I cannot see here 1600. 1600 they do not have, only they have 2100.
Okay.
Because the combination is 1043. But all, I think account symbol is the main one. We can copy. I think so. Now we just copy here, and we need to create one account reference one. Then we need to add the new GL account. I think so. I'm not sure exactly whether
Okay.
here need to create the new or account symbol need to be. It must be account assignment reference. I think so. That's why I need to bit confirmation on this areas.
Yeah, understood, understood.
You got what I mean? Yeah, where I'm lacking of this information. Yeah. You can able to help me this kind of areas,
Yes,
Shabari?
yes, yes. We will need to go through it. Actually, Shiva, we'll need to go through it. You are asking about customization. I mean, creating a new. This is related to customizing only, no? Configuration, related to configuration and customizing the GL accounts itself.
Mm.
So that thing, I have openly told you that I have never worked on any configuration part. But however, I had an idea about it, how it has to be done, because I'm going through some courses and all. But I will
Yeah,
tell you.
yeah,
First of all, I'll
exactly.
try
The
to
courses, if you
you.
went through that courses, definitely we during the courses time, definitely they will teach us
Yeah.
how to what is the accounting symbol is the main one, or account assignment reference is the second priority or something like that. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, I think if you know the courses, definitely we know what is the main purpose of this one. The valuation area, I know this company code only we assign 001. So this one I know already. I'm thinking about this one or this one, which one is the priority, but I guess this is the new one we have to create it under this account references areas. Something like that. Yeah, that's why I was bit yeah, postings. Thanks. If you can refer something, this is the main one area, one of the critical area for me. If you can explain to me this one, then should be good for me.
So position. So you are telling about definition of posting specifications.
Not only this one, you see the accounting symbol, all this functionality. You see here, define account definition for treasury and risk management. Under the chart of account, because the GL account, we are going to assign our accounting symbol.
Yeah.
This is our accounting symbol. Accounting symbol will tell what is the debit and what is the credit one.
Okay.
So
Okay, what we
here,
will, okay, I understood your question. What we will do is we will create a process map of your question scenario. Can you go back to the previous page? Yeah, this thing. So under define account determination for treasury and risk management, this is might be we will consider it as a category. Okay, inside this category we have four subcategories, right?
mm,
Define account determination. Can you break down it? Okay, when we are defining the GL account, I mean the GL chart of accounts, inside chart of accounts, we can able to see the dialog structure of four subcategories, and each of the category will tell you about the account. Can you resize it in the left side, in the left column? I am not able to
mm-hmm.
read it. Yes. So under chart of accounts, we have like four subcategories, right? One is like account symbols, posting specification, update type of I mean, assignment of update type of posting specification, valuation areas, and we have GL accounts to update account symbols. So these under these four categories we can consider this as a subgroup of selecting the chart of accounts, chart of GL accounts, and then we can map it actually. You can see there are like n number of when you see the assignment of GL accounts to account symbols, you see zero is like related to opening accounts, one is related to
That's why
postings, what
I
you have
need
told.
to understand a little bit on this. Yeah.
Yeah, I say we will have to map everything in order to understand. Only seeing it, we will not able to, we might not be able to understand it. We will need to map it according to our understanding, right? So I suggest you not to write all of those things. Instead, we can process map it so that it will be a better understanding for you and I would say.
Okay, okay.
When
Yeah, you
you
can take that
yeah,
planning or control, whatever, but better you know that part.
sure, sure.
You can, okay.
So we can connect by tomorrow, right?
Can. If you want evening, I'm okay, but tomorrow also better, yeah.
Your evening essence at what time?
Evening, India time, because now I'm in India. Okay, later I will go to KL. I'm traveling on 5th of December, 5th of January.
Okay.
So now you can connect me daytime. I'm okay, but sometimes daytime I might.
No, for today, what is your preferred slot? Do you have any slot?
Today I don't have. I'm free
Oh, that is my
night time.
question. So at what time you can connect? I'm asking.
Okay, today. What's the time now? Now is 4 o'clock, right? 4 o'clock. Uh, I think today not possible. Can we make it tomorrow time?
Yeah,
Tomorrow
sure.
morning.
No
You
issues.
have 6 to 8. You have class, right?
Yeah, I have a schedule on 6 to 8.
6 to 8. Okay. How about earlier? 5 to 4 to 5 or anything? You can make it.
No, actually, I won't be able to wake up that time.
Okay.
Actually,
Then
after
we can
6
make it
to
around 9:30. Sorry, 10
sure,
to
sure.
12.
Absolutely. 9 o'clock is also fine for me. 9, 9:30, 10
Okay.
o'clock is fine for me.
Okay. And also, you have any hands-on experience in this currency settings and the F110 also?
So currency in the sense,
The payment one, the bank payment one. Have you hands-on experience on the payment side?
permanent payment terms. So like configuration I
Not
do not have.
exactly.
They have like the payment terms. So I will tell you. So there is like cash and collection management is there, right? So can you scroll up? Can you scroll a bit? Okay. Under FSCM, I had hands-on experience into biller direct, collections management, disputes management. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
These
three
three
mod.
we are not using here.
Okay, these three modules only I had hands-on experience.
Oh,
So biller direct is
okay.
related to all the vendors or suppliers who is involved in the finance FSCM project, and collections management is all about receivables. Okay,
Account receivables. Yeah.
accounts
Here we don't
receivables
have that.
and
Here
dispute.
we don't have that.
Okay, under dispute management it is all related about whenever there is a transaction, there arises a dispute, we can able to manage it. So these areas only I had experience. I never had experience into cash and liquidity management, credit management, BCM,
Okay.
in-house cash. In-house is a big concept. In-house cash is a big concept. I will have to learn about it, and yeah. So these are all a part of FSCM, I would say. In TRM, I have been learning a lot under FSCM, and also without FSCM, I had hands-on expertise in into derivatives and some capital markets projects.
Okay.
Okay, related to securities, OTC, and hedge fund, and you see ETC, exchange traded fund, I had a pretty handful of experience into the capital markets domain, but particularly how they are configured in SAP, I have to explore it.
Let's say if I have any issues, maybe you can explore it, or maybe you can find your
Yes, yes.
friends or something. Maybe you can
We should
suggest
be
me.
able to do it. Yes, absolutely, we should be able to do it.
Yeah, yeah, that's my, right? I'm actually in the production system live.
Yeah,
So we need to advise the users actually whenever they log into the any tickets. I need to advise in proper manner.
understood,
Actually, the
understood.
correct one. Yeah, that's my
And
main.
also, Shiva, can you show me I mean, the SAP version in the system, in SAP system? Can you show me show me the version where it is 770?
Yeah, the GUI 770. But you asking the version, right?
Yeah.
Version. I don't think you can able to see here. I think we cannot see from here. Maybe.
Yeah, in this system, right, what is that right top? Yeah, here you don't see SPRO response time.
Here we cannot see actually. Some basis people only can see which version or something.
Can you go to the system?
Also, you know about this BP, right? BP functionality. Are you
Business
fully
partner.
aware of this BP business partner one? How
Yes,
to extend the treasury customers,
yes,
treasury roles or something?
yes.
I try to.
You see, I will tell you who is a BP. So BP can either be a vendor or a supplier or customer or a banker or a middleman. We can configure it as per our needs.
Mm,
A business partner can be configured as a vendor or as a banker or as a customer or as a client. We can configure it as per our needs. A business partner.
how about the treasury perspective? Let's say if I want to see the intercompany loans or what kind of a business partner I need, because you see here they already mentioned here. They already mentioned here.
So I will tell you by default, without a broker, broker, there will not be any transaction will happen, right?
Mm,
You might possibly have seen uh, broker in all the scenarios, regardless of the product in TRM. You will see a business partner like a bank, because he is the
yep.
broker. Without broker, there will not be any transaction might happen. As a business partner, obviously BP as a broker will be involved, and then other BP might be like a client, can be a business partner, and um, who can I say, can you show me a scenario or something? I will tell you how many business partners are involved. You can, but I will tell you, I will make sure that without a broker, without a business partner
Yeah,
like a broker.
how to see? Actually, I cannot see many also here. That's why there is. How to? Is this the one the correct one? T code the BP. T code is the BP, right? As for.
To see the business partner,
Hmm.
I'll tell you, give me a minute.
That's why I know how to select this BP one. See here. There is the FI customer, supplier, all those things. Is this the one? Counterparty. Hello?
Yes, 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 I'm listening, give me one
Yeah,
minute.
is this the one? Is this the one? Let's say, you see, just now I couldn't find there. If I come to can go to the create a new group, then I can see, but here I cannot see.
So you have an option to do the multiple section, right?
Multiple section means.
That is why I don't know whether this is the S4 because in ECC system I have worked on it, and there will be. Can you go
ECC,
to
we
the?
don't have any BP, right? We only it is there in S4 only BP portion.
No, in ECC also I have selected the business partners. There is an option.
No, in ECC we don't have. Actually, that business partner is different, but here the vendor and creation is ECC. Sorry, S4 is a different functionality with the vendor master and customer master data. Even the treasury customer, let's say intercompany customer or a vendor, we need to choose the proper intercompany vendor or customer.
I'll tell you the exact T code. Give me 1 minute. I'm just looking on it.
Yeah. Maybe you can just explore on that areas and just help me to suggest me this person.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Then I can WhatsApp you. Maybe tomorrow we can meet up.
Yeah, sure. We will meet by tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sabarish.
Yeah, thank you. I will also. I have taken a note of your questionnaires. I will create a document. Okay, by tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Shiva. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye.
Shiva, am I audible to you? You are still in the huddle. You can leave the huddle.